QR codes and task list, their role in MonitGlass. MonitGlass connects the factory floor to the office. Office staff can send tasks to the factory floor and check job progress remotely. Factory floor workers can confirm jobs in two ways: by QR code scanning or using the task list. Let's take a look at how QR code scanning works. The machine operator scans the QR code on the label. The name of the processing performed on the glass appears in the mobile application. The machine operator confirms the completed task. Let's see how the task list works. The machine operator starts by checking the task list. Using a filter, the operator selects the glass thickness and the processing. Applications search for tasks ready for processing at the machine. Once the jobs are completed, the operator confirms them as done. Let's see how office staff can see how the factory floor is doing. Production Overview presents the progress of jobs. QR code scanning and task list can be used interchangeably, depending on your needs. We encourage you to watch other videos on the features of MonitGlass.